Hello GATE aspirants, welcome to part 5 of GATE Electronics series. Question 24. The given input to an ideal op-amp integrator is, this is the input and we have to find out its output waveform. Now for an integrator circuit, output VO is given by this equation, VO is equal to 1 minus 1 upon, if it is given to negative terminal, then it will be positive, Ri Cf 0 to t V in dt. This is output of an integrator if the output is given to positive terminal, and if it is given to negative terminal, here you will have minus sign. So let me draw it as well. So V in, and this resistor is Ri, and this is given to negative terminal of an op amp. This is output VO, and for feedback a capacitor is used, and that capacitor is Cf, and other input terminal is grounded. Now if V in the interval 0 to t naught, input is 0. So if V in is equal to 0, then output will also be 0. And if V in is constant, so if this is constant, that will be VO. So here that VO will be constant and it will come out of the integration, and integration dt is simply t. So the output voltage V output, that will be minus 1 upon RICF V naught into t. That means this V output will be proportional to t. So it will be a straight line. So option A is correct. Question 25. The minimum number of flip-flops required to construct a mod 75 counter is. So if we take 2 to the power 6, that comes out to be 64. 64 is less than 75, so this can't be used. So next possible thing is 2 raised to 7, that is 128. So this can be used as a counter. So this will be total number of inputs. So the answer is 7. The number of digits will be equal to the number of flip-flops. So correct answer is 7. And the range for this question's answer was given like this: 6.99 to 7.01. And the answer that we are getting is 7. Next question. The donor concentration in a sample of N-type silicon is increased by a factor of 100. The shift in the position of Fermi level at 300 Kelvin, assuming the sample to be non-degenerate, is. Here value of Kb is given at 300 Kelvin. Now Ec minus Ef is equal to Kbt ln Nc by Nd, where Nc is concentration in the conduction band and Nd is donor concentration, and Ec minus Ef dash. Let us assume that this is the level after increasing the factor by 100. So this will be Kt ln, and in place of Nd we will write 100 into Nd. So Nc upon 100 Nd. This can be written as Kt ln Nc by Nd minus Kt ln 100. Since this part is common in both, the difference will be from this second term. So delta E, that is change in energy level, that will be equal to Kt ln 100. And Kbt is 25 milli electron volt at 300 Kelvin, and ln 100 is 4.6051. So this will be equal to 115.1275, and the integer part of it will be 115. So the answer that we are getting is 115 milli electron volt, and the answer range for this question was 114 to 117. Next question, 52. The current gain of the transistor in the circuit is beta is equal to 100. The value of collector current IC is. Now consider one path. So current is flowing through this capacitor current, then it is passing through this base resistor, and then we have VBE, and then this path. So we'll consider this path first. So for this path, VCC is equal to voltage across ICRC plus voltage across this base resistance, and current flowing through it is IB. So IBRB plus VBE, voltage across base emitter junction, plus IERE. And we have IE is equal to beta times IB. By putting this value, we can rearrange this equation for IB. So IB comes out to be VCC minus VBE upon beta into RC plus RE, because IE is also nearly equal to IE, plus RB. So this will be expression for IB. Now here voltage drop across base emitter junction is not given, so we can take it to be 0. So let us assume VBE is 0 for ideal diode. So if VBE is 0, then IB will be 12 minus 0, beta is 100, then we have 3K plus 3K, plus IB is 150K. So IB will be equal to 12 into, this will be 600 plus 150, that is 750K, that is 0.016 milliampere. From here IC is equal to beta into IB, and that will be equal to 1.6 milliampere, because beta is 100. And here if we take VBE to be 0.7 volt, so VBE is, if we take VBE to be equal to 0.7 volt, then this same, by doing the same calculation, we will get IB is equal to 0.015 milliampere, and then IC will be 1.5 milliampere. The range, answer range for this question was 1.4 to 1.7 in the official answer key. So you can either consider VBE to be 0.7 or 0. You will get the correct answer then. Next is question 53. In order to measure a maximum of 1 volt with a resolution of 1 millivolt using a n-bit A to D converter working under the principle of ladder network, the minimum value of n is. Now resolution is equal to Vmax upon 2 raised to n, or Vfs upon 2 raised to n minus 1. Resolution is 1 millivolt, so that is 10 raised to minus t. Vmax is 1 volt upon 2 raised to n. So from here we get 2 raised to n is equal to 1000, and we know 2 raised to 10 is 1024. So here n is equal to 10, and the range of answer for this was 9.99 to 10.01. Question 55. A low pass filter is formed by a resistance R and capacitor C. At the cutoff angular frequency omega c is equal to 1 upon RC. The voltage gain and the phase of the output voltage relative to the input voltage respectively will be. Now VO by Vin is equal to, that will be voltage across the capacitor. So that will be equal to XC upon R plus XC. We can divide by XC. So this will be R upon XC plus 1. But XC is equal to 1 upon J omega into C. So we can use this value here. So 1 upon XC will be J omega C. So this will be 1 upon 1 plus J omega RC. Now at omega is equal to omega C, that is 1 upon RC, its value will be VO by Vin will be 1 upon 1 plus J. Now we can write this in polar form. So 1 plus 1j is equal to root 2 e raised to j into, that will be theta will be obtained by obtaining this, tan theta is equal to y by a. So that will be 1 only. So this will be pi by 4 because tan pi by 4 is 1. So this will be equal to 1 by root 2 e raised to minus pi by 4. So from here 0.707 e raised to minus pi by 4 is 45. So phi is minus 45 degree and the gain is 0.707, that is nearly equal to 0.7 volt. So option B is correct. So these were all the questions from GATE 2014 paper electronics part. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep learning.